So I thought I'd do an update on my current workshop situation. This is not complete, but it is significantly improved over my last video. So as you can see, the van is still parked over there because I've been working out here today, finishing up a few things. And it's dry today, so that does give it a little bit of a picture of just better, because it's not so gross, but you get the idea. So you can see here I've already built a nice mobile lumber cart that I can store all of my lumber in. It still kind of looks janky, but for the most part it is much improved. I also have some long lumber storage way up high. That's what worked out for me in here. It's do have to use a stool to get to it, but that's fine. You can see some different lumber up there. It's not nearly as much as it once was because I've been building stuff. And my cabinet's still there, but it's all cleaned up from underneath. I no longer have drills in there because I have another storage system for my drills and things, so I put my mallet in there. Good old trusty. And this cabinet is very well appreciated and loved, as I have some things in there. You can see my basic mobile workbench is also received a lot of attention. Built it April 20th of 2019, and it's definitely served its purpose. And so if I can just move it out of the way to open up this room, which is going to be where the most dramatic change is going to occur. So in the previous video I had the shell of my dust collector system, but there's the finished product. It's got little wheels on it. It works perfectly. Back here, here's my table saw with its cart, and there's the miter saw station with the miter saw attached to it. Up here I have my router table for some temporary storage. I still intend to build a more mobile solution for that, but for now that works really well. I got sawhorses attached to the wall up there. I've got a nice sanding station. I just finished this today. So you can see it's got some nice drawers, and this is my drill driver kit. It's not all that full, but that's fine. Got different stuff going on there. And then I have the Rio, which stands for Really I'm Organized. The Rio solution here. I doubled it up so that I could have double the storage, and then this nice handy cart here that I just keep mostly table saw things on, but really anything that I need. And on the other side of this I have my air compressor, which I'm still figuring out a better solution for it, trying to hang it up or something along those lines, but for now it really works. So as you can see, this is a wildly different approach to what I had in the past. The shelves for the Rio actually are the boards that were the giant deep shelves. There were shelves that basically went as deep as this room, and so I just cut those up. That's some old tongue and groove floorboard that is probably, who knows how old that is. And so this is my current solution. I do plan to build a few more things, but by and large the space is mapped out. I do plan to build an updated BMW, still keeping this one, but building the BMW Plus, or the basic mobile workbench Plus, and then I'm going to build that drop down work center also underneath here. And I'm also going to have some outlets put in on either side of this door, and I'm going to have one put in inside my building as well, because I need to be able to charge things or whatnot. And then I'm going to have some lights put in there, because currently it's only gets daylight in there. So there's my update. I'm really proud of what's been going on. This has been about a month since I first started it, so hopefully by the end of the summer I'll be finished.